Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are good. This is your maths class and today I am starting Unit 8 Division. So my dear students, all of you open page number 74. This is page number 74 and here Unit 8 Division. Okay. Divide by repeated subtraction. Okay, so now we will learn how to divide by repeated subtraction. Example given here. Okay, so first 15 divide by 5. So first subtract 15 minus 5, 10, then 10 again minus 5, 5, then write this 5, again minus 5, 0. Okay, so 5 can be subtracted 3 times from 15. So its answer will be 3. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. So its answer is 3. Okay, 3 times में हुआ 1, 2, 3. So its answer is 3. Okay, now the other one, 9 divided by 3. So first subtract 9 minus 3. So it's 6. Now 6 minus 3, 3. Then 3 minus 3, 0. So 3 times 1, 2, 3. So 9 divided by 3, answer is 3. Okay, so like this you have to do this part. Okay, I have done for you and this part is your homework. Okay, now divide into equal groups by drawing by turn in the boxes. Okay, so first part has given for you. Okay, now the second part, 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4, simple you can do, 4 4 ja 16. So 4, so you have to draw in each box 4 4 rectangle or square like this. Okay, now this and this part is your homework. Now the next page, this is page number 75 and here write division facts. Okay, first part has been done for you. 15 multiply 3 equal to 45. So 45 divide by 15 from the first number, answer second number. Then 45 divide by the second number, answer you will get the first number 15. Okay, so this is the division facts. Okay, division and multiplication are related. Okay, so like this I have done these parts for you and this is your homework. Now the exercise time. This is page number 76 and here exercise 8A. Okay, question is fill in. Now the simple 8 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So 2 4 ja, so its answer is 4. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now 15 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 5 ja 15. So its answer is 5. Now 15 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. So its answer is 3. Now 36 divided by 6. 6 टेबल आप रीड करेंगे. So 6 6 ja 36. Okay, so its answer is 6. Now 32 divided by 8. 8 4 ja 32. So its answer is 4. Now 36 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27 and 9 4 ja 36. So its answer is 4. 9 4 the 36. So its answer is 4. Now 70 divided by 7. So 7 10 the 70. So its answer is 10. Okay, so like this we have to do. Okay, so this column I have done and these two are in your homework. Okay, now the next is fill in. 5 divided by 1, so 5. Okay, this is revision facts. Okay, 0 divided by 9, 0. 7 divided by 7, 7 1 7. 14 divided by 7, 14 1 40, so 1 answer. 25 divided by 25, 1. Okay, if we divide the number by the same number, answer 1. Okay, 0 divided by 20, 0. 99 divided by 1, so answer 99. Okay, if we divide any number with 1, answer same number. 56 divided by 56, 1. 18 divided by 1, 18. And 0 divided by 32, 0. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now the next is long division. Okay, so now the exercise. Exercise 8B. Divide and check the answer. A part 24 divide by 2. So we make this type of sign. Write 2 here. Now read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2. So 2 1 ja 2. Okay. Write like this. Now subtract 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring 4 down like this. Make arrow and write like this. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So write 2 2 ja 4. So 2 here and 2 2 ja 4, 4 here. So answer remainder is 0 and answer is 12. So now the dividend is 24. Okay, this number is called dividend. 24 divided by 2 and answer 12. So this is called dividend, this is quotient and this is divisor. Okay, so for checking the answer, quotient multiply divisor means these two. 12 multiply to quotient multiply divisor equal to dividend. Okay, so here 12 multiply 2, answer is 24. So our answer is correct. Okay, so like this you have to do. This part, B and C part I have done for you. Okay, and this part you have to do in your homework. Now again divide and check the answer same. 26 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 0. Then bring 6 down. 2 3 ja 6, 0. Okay, so for checking the answer, quotient multiply divisor. 13 multiply 2 equal to 26. This is dividend. So our answer is correct. Okay, now this part I have done for you. C and D is your homework. Now question number 3, divide and check the answer. Okay, so for it you have to take out your notebook. Write in your notebook like this, exercise 8B, page number 78, divide and check the answer. Question number 8, 82 divided by 2. So solve like this, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, solve like this. Now dividend is 82, quotient 41 and divisor is 2. So 41 multiply 2, 82. This is dividend, so our answer is correct. Okay, now the B part I have done for you. Okay, now C and D part you have to do in your homework. Okay, now the next exercise. Exercise 8C. 3-digit number divided by 1-digit number. Okay, first question, A part, 484 divide by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 2 ja 4, 0. Then bring down 8. 2 4 ja 8 minus 0. Then long arrow and bring down 4. Now again 2 2 ja 4. Answer 0. Okay, so our answer 242. Okay, so like this you have to do the division 3 digit number by 1 digit number. Okay, I have done B, C and D part for you, and E, F, G, H is your homework. Okay, now question number 2. For question number 2 you have to take out your notebook. Write exercise 8C, page number 80. Question number 2, A part, 555 divided by 5. Okay, so write like this first. Then read the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, remainder 0, subtract and remainder 0. Then again bring down this 5. Again 5 1 ja 5, subtract 0. Then bring down this 5 down. Okay, now again 5 1 ja 5, 0. So answer is 111. Okay, now the B part, 246 divided by 2. So write like this. 2 1 ja 2, subtract 0. Now this 4 write down. Then 2 2 ja 4. Okay, subtract again 0. Then 6. 2 3 ja 6. Okay, subtract, answer remainder is 0 here. Okay, so answer is 123. 246 divided by 2 equal to 123. Okay, now C and D part you have to do in your homework. Now question number 3. Question number 3, A part, 408 divided by 4. So write like this. First 4 1 ja 4, subtract 0, then bring this 0 down. Now 0 times. Okay, so write 0 here and 0 here. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 8. Okay, write 8 here. Now 4 2 ja 8 minus remainder 0. Okay, so 408 divided by 4 equal to 102 is the answer. Okay, now B, C, D is your homework. Now the question number 4, A part, 240 divided by 2. Okay, now 2 1 ja 2, so write 2 here, subtract 0, then 4, make arrow and write 4 down. 2 2 ja 4, subtract 0, then bring this 0 down. Okay, now 0 times. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, so its answer is 120. Now B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 5. Question number 5, A part, 400 divided by 2. So write like this. First 2 2 ja 4, subtract 0. Now put this 0 down. Okay, 0 times, so 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Then bring this 0 down. Okay, again 0 times, so 0 minus 0, 0. So 400 divided by 2 equal to 200. Okay, so like this you have to do. B, C, D is your homework. Now 6th question, A part, 242 divided by 2. Do like this. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2, 0, subtract करेंगे so 0. Then 4, 2 2 ja 4, subtract 0. Then this 2 right here like this. 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so answer is 121. Okay. now B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 7. 609 divided by 3. Very simple. 3 2 ja 6 first. 6 minus 6 0. Then write this 0 like this. 0 times 0 minus 0 0. Then bring down 9. 3 3 ja 9. So 9 minus 9 0. So answer is 203. Okay. B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 8, A part 840 divided by 4. Okay, so first 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4 and 0 times. Okay, so answer is 210. Okay, so you have to do like this. Now B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 9. This is question number 9. A part 300 divided by 3. Write like this. 3 1 ja 3. Then 0 times 0 times. Okay, so our answer is 100. Okay. Now B, C, D is your homework. Okay. Now the next exercise. Next exercise 8D. 4 digit number by 1 digit number. Okay. So simple. 2 2 4 6 8. 2 1 ja 2 0. Then this 4 right here. 2 2 ja 4 0. Then 6 right here. 2 3 ja 6 6. Okay. 0. Then 8 here. 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so like this you have to do. Answer is 1 2 3 4. 1234. Okay, so write like this. I have done B, E and F part for you, and C, D and G, H is your homework. Okay, so you have to do like this. Okay, now question number 2. For it, take out your notebook. Question number 2, A part 2664 divided by 2. Okay, so write like this. First 2 1 ja 2, then 2 3 ja 6, again 2 3 ja 6, and last 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now the B part I have done for you. Okay, and C and D is your homework. Now the question number 3. 2408 divided by 2. Simple. First 2 1 ja 2. Then 2 2 ja 4. Then 0 times. And again last 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so answer is 1204. Okay, so B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 4, A part 4008 divided by 2. So first 2 2 ja 4, then 0 times, again 0 times, and last 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so answer is 204. Okay, like this you have to write the answer. Answer is 204. Now B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 5. 8420 divided by 2. So write like this. First 2 4 ja 8, then 2 2 ja 4, then 2 1 ja 2, then 0 times. Okay, 0 times. Okay, so answer is 4210. Okay, so here B, C, D is your homework. Now question number 6, A part 4800 divided by 2. So first 2 2 ja 4, then 2 4 ja 8, then 0 times, again 0 times. Okay, So answer is 2400. Now BCD is your homework. Now the next is question number 7. 6000 divided by 2. So write like this. 2 3 ja 6. Then 0. 0 times. Again 0 times. Again 0 times. Okay. So answer is 3000. Okay. Write this. And BCD is your homework. Now question number 8. A part 6393 divided by 3. So first 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 1 ja 3. Then 3 3 ja 9. And last 3 1 ja 3. Okay. So its answer is 2131. Okay. Now BCD is your homework. Okay. Now the next exercise. This is next exercise. Exercise 8E. Division with remainder. Okay. So first question. Divide and check the answer. 9 and 2. 2 4 ja 8. Subtract 9 minus 8, 1. 1 is called remainder. Okay. So for checking the answer, we know 9 is dividend and quotient multiply divisor plus remainder equal to what will come? Dividend. So quotient is here 4, divisor is 2 plus 1. 2 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so this is our dividend. So our answer is correct. Okay, so like this you have to do these parts. Okay, and C and D is your homework. Sorry, D is your homework. Now question number 2, simple divide, and we have to write the remainder. Now 3 1 ja 3, subtract 0. Now 3 2 ja 6, subtract 0. Then 7 right here. Now 3 2 ja 6. Okay, so 7 minus 6, remainder is 1. So this is called remainder. So write R equal to 1. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. Here is also remainder 1. C and D is your homework. Okay, now question number 3. For it, take out your notebook. Write exercise 8E, page number 85. Question number 3, A part 65 divided by 2. Okay, so first 2 3 ja 6. 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Then write 5 here. 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 2 3 ja 6 is more than 5. So here we have to write 2 2 ja 4. Okay, now 5 minus 4, 1. So here quotient is 32 and remainder is 1. Now 98 divided by 3. 3 3 ja 9. 0 and 8. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 9 is more than 8. So here 3 2 ja 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, so here remainder is 2. Okay, now the next. This is question number 4, 245 divided by 2. So divide and last here remainder is 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So remainder is 1. So like this you have to do. BCD is your homework. Question number 5, 207 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. Then 0 times. Then write 7. 2 3 ja 6. So here 7 minus 6. Remainder 1. Okay. Now question number 6, 681 divided by 2. So first 2 3 ja 6. Then write 8 here. 2 4 ja 8. Minus 0. Then 1. So 0 times, because 2 1 ja 2 is more than 1. So here 0 times. Okay, so remainder is 1 and answer is 340. Okay, so like this you have to do this part also. Now question number 7, like this you have to do. Here remainder is also 1. Okay, now the next question number 8, 4025 divide by 2. So first divide like this, last 5 minus 4, remainder is 1. Same questions, 9 question, first divide like this and last remainder is 1. Okay, same question number 10. Okay, first divide like this and last 2 2 ja 4, because 2 3 ja 6 is more than 5, so 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1, so here remainder is 1. Now BCT is your homework. Okay, now your unit 8 has finished. Do all the work properly and homework also. Now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.